Choosing the right formula for your baby can be very confusing, especially with so many brands available in the market. What all are essential things to be checked in choosing a formula? Always choose age appropriate formula for your baby. Number two, the formula should be FSSAI and FDA approved. Cow milk based whey protein should be the basic protein used in the formula. There is no need to use partially or extensively hydrolyzed formulas. Lactose should be the primary carbohydrate in your baby's formula. Avoid using maltodextrin or glucose syrup based formula. Always check that the formula should have DHAs, AHAs, ARAs for good brain and eye development. A good formula also should be iron rich, iron fortified. क्या क्या चीज़ें सिर्फ मार्केटिंग गिमिक्स हैं और फॉर्मूला चूज करते समय इन चीजों का कोई रेलेवेंस नहीं है. यूजिंग वर्ड्स लाइक ऑर्गेनिक, नेचुरल, प्रीमियम, क्लोजेस्ट टू ब्रेस्ट मिल्क, added brain boosters, they are all just marketing terms, doesn't really matter in a formula. No formula is closest or can achieve or substitute breast milk. Words like organic, 100% plant based and imported doesn't really matter in your baby. What matters is the formula should be FSSAI or FDA, a local body approved. Easy to digest formulas, anti-colic formulas, they do not exist. Use of prebiotic, probiotic, human milk oligosaccharides, HMOs, they are optional for a formula. Doesn't really confirm कि आपके बेबी को कम कोलिक होगा या कम गैस बनेगी or they can treat colic. There is no trial proving that. I don't know what the fuss about goat protein based formulas there. They have no proven benefit over the cow milk protein based formulas. कोई भी फॉर्मूला आपको जल्दी जल्दी स्विच नहीं करना है. फॉर्मूला इंट्रोड्यूस करके 1 से 2 हफ्ता वेट करना है. अगर बच्चे का वेट गेन सही हो रहा है, बच्चे को बहुत ज़्यादा उल्टियाँ नहीं हो रही है, एक्सटेंसिव कोलिक नहीं हो रहा है, तो आपको बार बार फॉर्मूला स्विच करने की बिल्कुल भी ज़रूरत नहीं है. प्लीज़ चूज अ फॉर्मूला दैट यू कैन अफोर्ड एंड यू can sustain for your baby.